Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have another new profile for Monday's session that we want you to research. This is a company that we have never profiled before. Pull up GVH on the Nasdaq immediately. According to Finviz, the float is just 3.18 million shares. The stock is also trading right at key trendline support. Insiders own over 78% of the company. Globalvend Holdings Limited is an emerging e-commerce logistics provider that formulates and implements integrated end-to-end cross-border logistics solutions for their customers with the provision of air freight forwarding services and related logistics services as their principal business. Their business model principally involves the provision of 1. Integrated cross-border logistics services, which include air freight forwarding services offered as an integral part thereof, and 2. Air freight forwarding services offered as a modularized logistics service segmented from its integrated cross-border logistics services. Their logistics network covers Hong Kong and 4 cities in Australia, namely Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth, as well as New Zealand. So for those of you who don't know, China is the key market for Australia's exports. There's a lot of trade going back and forth between the two countries. GVH is headquartered in Perth. Perth is the mining capital of Australia. Their number one export from Australia to China is iron ore, and that is Perth is the gateway. That is the city in Australia where all of that iron ore flows from. So this is a key market and a key logistics provider in Australia. Some key highlights. Globalvend Holdings announces an MOU, which is a Memorandum of Understanding, to acquire Top Logistics, a key one-stop logistics solutions provider in Australia. So the company is making M&A moves, looking to grow its business in Australia. The company is specializing in direct injection from Hong Kong and southern China to Australia and New Zealand. The company's revenues nearly doubled from fiscal year 2021 to 2022, from US $13.3 million to $24 million, before dropping a bit to $18.6 million in 2023. GVH's gross profits went from $984,000 in 2021 to $1.4 million in 2022 to $1.9 million in 2023, nearly doubling in 2 years. So again, key here is even though revenues dipped a bit, profits are growing. So that's margin expansion. These are the things you want to see in a company. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on GVH, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, the big economic event this week is jobs numbers. JOLTS on Tuesday, ADP on Wednesday, jobless claims on Thursday, and the unemployment report on Friday. Remember, the weaker the job numbers are, the more bullish it is for stocks. The stronger the job numbers are, the more bearish it is for stocks. On Friday, we also get NVIDIA's 10-for-1 stock split going into effect. Look for some wild options trading. Recapping last week's price action, it was a great week for followers of this channel in ASTS. AI, which had a great earnings report, broke out, ran right into $30 resistance. That is the key level. Needs to get above $30. ONMD trading right here near the highs. Kind, KIND. I talked about this one. Marissa Meyer joined the board. She's the former Marissa Mayer. She's the former CEO of Yahoo. Could be gearing this one up for selling the company. What's most notable about it is just a $944 million market cap, $500 million in cash. So keep this one on your radar screen. Big runner last week was WOOF, Petco Health and Wellness Company. What I really liked about this one is we saw a director buy 750,000 shares at $3.14. That's a $2.3 million buy. Notably, this came after earnings. And key here is, look at this, guys. 37% of the float is short. Ran right into this trend line resistance here at $4. Get it? We need to get above $4. That's what I'm watching. BuzzFeed last week was a disappointment. Just had that one day on the news that Vivek Ramaswamy took a stake, dipped down to 260, couldn't get back to the highs, ran into resistance, pulling back here. I got out, guys. I cut my losses. We'll watch this one. Company right now is not being too receptive to Vivek Ramaswamy and his suggestions. We shall see how it all plays out. The media business is a tough one. I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. And again, it's completely free, guys. But Monday's primary focus is GVH. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sika Media for sponsoring this video on GVH. Insider Financial and I are non-investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.